In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to convert Figma to PPT, PowerPoint, or PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your Figma designs and turn them into a clean, shareable PDF that also works great inside PowerPoint. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, open your file and navigate to the page that contains the design you want to export. In Figma, pages live inside a single file, and your frames on that page typically represent slides or individual screens. Before exporting, take a moment to confirm your design is ready. Check that each frame is the correct size, your layers are named clearly, and any images are high enough resolution to look sharp in a PDF. With your design ready, look to the right-hand sidebar of Figma. You'll find a section called Export. If you don't see it, click on a frame or the specific elements you plan to export. The Export section appears when something is selected. Selecting frames is a great way to control what ends up in the final document. If you select multiple frames, Figma will combine them into a single multi-page PDF, following the order of those frames as they appear in your Layers panel. If the order matters, quickly drag frames in the Layers list to arrange them before exporting. In the Export section, click to add an export setting and choose PDF as the file type. PDF is ideal here because it preserves vector shapes and text for crisp results, and it keeps multiple frames together in one file. If you're preparing slides for PowerPoint, using common slide dimensions like 1920 by 1080 helps your pages fit neatly when you bring the PDF into a presentation. You can also rename the export so the file is easy to identify later. When everything looks good, click Export. Figma will generate your PDF and prompt you to save it to your computer. Pick a folder you'll remember, confirm the file name, and complete the save. After it's done, open the PDF to make sure each page looks correct and that the page order matches your frames. That's all you need. You now have a polished PDF that's perfect for sharing, printing, or using in PowerPoint. Many presenters simply place the PDF into a deck, so each page becomes a slide, making handoffs quick and consistent. Keep your frames consistent in size and naming, and you'll get reliable exports every time. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.